Here at Cultures for Health, we offer 3 different types of kefir: milk kefir grains, water kefir grains, and powdered kefir starter. Today we're going to talk about what the difference between all of these products are, and hopefully at the end of the video you have a sense of which one is best for you and your needs. So let's get into it. There's 3 main differences in our kefir products. The first major difference in our kefirs is going to be the fermentation time. Milk kefir is going to take up to 24 hours. Because it is milk in a dairy ferment, we want it to sit for a maximum of 24 hours. That means that your milk kefir is going to need to be fed every single day. Your water kefir will also go every 24 hours, but you can let it go as long as 72 hours. So water kefir ferments for 1 to 3 days. At 3 days, you're going to have a little less sweetness and a little more of that fermentation funk. Our kefir starter is even shorter than our milk kefir in the sense that it's going to take 12 to 18 hours for our kefir starter powder to do its thing. So, quick recap, milk kefir takes 24 hours or 1 day. Water kefir will take 24 to 72 hours, which is 1 to 3 days, and our kefir starter powder is going to take 12 to 18 hours, which is about half to 3/4 of a day. So that's the first major difference in our kefir ferments. The second major difference in our kefir ferments is going to be what they can ferment, right? So our milk kefir grains are going to ferment milk. That's basically it for the milk kefir, is just whole, normal cow milk. You can use goat milk, you could probably use sheep milk, but cow milk is the most traditional way and the most accessible milk to us. Kefir starter can be made with a variety of products, let's say. So if we take a look at these 4 jars, our kefir starter can be made with 4 different mediums. Juice, so this jar is apple juice. Then we have milk, regular whole milk, organic if you can find it, coconut water, and coconut milk. So there are tons of options for what you can ferment with your kefir starter powder. I like to refer to our kefir starter powder as our vegan dairy kefir. And the reason I say that is because it will do coconut milk and coconut water. So for those of you who are vegan, kefir starter is going to be the closest product you're going to find to milk kefir. Our last product is water kefir grains. Our water kefir grains are going to ferment a simple sugar water solution. It's very easy to mix. Sugar water is always available. So if you're looking for a simple, low-cost product, water kefir is going to be a great choice for you. So just to recap real quick, our milk kefir, the best ingredient for our milk kefir is going to be regular whole cow milk. The best ingredients for our kefir starter can range from juice to coconut milk to cow milk to coconut water. And our water kefir is going to do best on a sugar water mixture. The third major difference between our 3 kefir products is going to be direct set versus heirloom. So our kefir grains, our water kefir and our milk kefir are going to be heirloom cultures. What that means is that once you've activated and you're maintaining your grains, as long as you're maintaining them in the ways that we've showed you in previous videos and in our instructions, then you should have everything that you need to have that batch go continuously, batch after batch. Now, our direct set culture means that this culture is a one-off, works once, that's it type of culture. Luckily for kefir starter, this direct set culture can work up to 7 days, but once it hits that 7 days, it's not going to ferment for you anymore. The bacteria are going to start dying off, and you're definitely not going to have a strong culture as you did on day 1. So the direct set cultures, it's really recommended to use a new packet every single time. And that's it. That's the 3 major differences in our 3 kefir products: our milk kefir, our kefir starter, and our water kefir grains. Rewatch the video if you're still not sure which one is best for you, or reach out to our customer support team and they'll help you out. But remember, each product is great. They all have their own unique uses. So if you try one and you're not sure if you like it, we definitely recommend trying another one. Don't give up on it. And if you like it and you're so ready to move on to next steps with flavoring and just maintaining and making all of these great, delicious products, click some links below. We'll have some recipes for you guys. And of course, share everything that you're learning and fermenting and new recipes that you're developing, because we love seeing that stuff. Tag us on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Happy fermenting.